Good evening, everyone. Bani ko ninyo mag-skincare. So, as usual, guys, for my face, I am using Mazo Bird's Nest Collagen 6-in-1 Skincare. But, already done washing my face using the facial wash of Koan Bird's Nest Skincare from Mazo, guys. So, now I'm going to use cleanser. But, dili na siya Koan cleanser ni Mazo, guys, kaya wala na siya isulod. So, I'm gonna use this Iskinol as my cleanser, guys. Kay, purot na akong Mazo na toner. So, but, sa ako ang kuan, guys, of course, napamantay kuan. Napa ko'y serum, napa ko aning kuan, moisturizing cream ni Mazo. And then, katong eye cream. Nauna lang yun, og kahurot si toner. Kay, grabe man kay kumakabuo kuan. Sa ako ang kuan. Lang, nag-ano, lagi ka lang. Lagi ko ning mugi-apil. So, wala na load. Mauna na. So, manak og toner, guys. And then, akong sunod ginabutang is kani si Mazo Bird's Nest serum, guys. And gamay na lang sad kay siya. Kapit na sad ni siya mahurot. So, musunod ni siya ni kuan toner. Ug kahurot kay si kuan si whitening cream. Daghan pagid kay siya. So, try natin si whitening cream. So, whitening cream from Mazo, guys. Tanawan na yun. Tanawan kay po ninyo, guys, kay hindi siya isog. And so, si Mazo day, guys, Mazo is the name of the company. And then, ang iyaang kuan, guys, is mga beauty products. Ek, labush. So, si Bird's Nest Collagen Peptide. So, mao na ang pangalan sa kuan, sa beauty or skincare nga akong gigamit. So, kuan. I'm done. Oh, look at that. So, this is their moisturizing cream. Naka-glass skin siya, guys. So, nakakinahanglan magkuan. Mag-makeup, guys, kay magwapa na kanikuan sa iyang skincare. Kamot nagmang-makeup ka. Magwapa kag samot. And my watch is from Olive's Watch, guys. So, I also bought this one from TikTok. So, I'm done. And the last one to apply, guys, is kaning eye cream from Mazo. This is for your eyebags. So, you just have to put a small amount under your eyes. And then here. And then massage. Massage the cream until it absorbs to your skin. Skin disease. So, you just have to massage it like this until mag-absorb siya sa inyong skin. So, wow. So, I'm done. And this is the finished product, guys. So, kayo na humusga. So,